What's the meaning of chopstick? Chopstick. Chopstick.
Chopstick. Chopstick. Chopsticks are a pair of slender and tapered sticks, usually made of wood or bamboo, that are used as utensils to eat food in many Asian countries. They are held between the thumb and fingers of one hand and are used to pick up pieces of food. Chopsticks are an important cultural symbol in Asia and are associated with table manners and etiquette. Using chopsticks is considered a skill that takes practice to master, but once learned, they can be a convenient and efficient way to eat a variety of dishes.